Hi, my name is Ed Tackett. I'm with the Würth Additive Group. I've been involved in 3D printing and additive manufacturing for over 30 years. When I came on the scene for 3D printing, there were only 3 printer manufacturers. Now there's over 400.
Sounds like magic.
So it is magic. It is magic. It's complicated magic. It's pretty scary sometimes, but yeah, it's pretty cool.
Magic.
Now, a little bit about myself. I thoroughly enjoy scale modeling. The research that goes behind it, all the paint palettes, the color palettes, putting the little nibbly bits together and making something that's truly creative. That, and I have my dogs. I have 2 dogs, Stanley, and he is a Jack Russell Beagle mix, and I refer to him as my Brussel. And then I have Lucy, who's the newest member of our family. She is a Australian cattle dog border collie mix with personal boundary issues. What I really want to bring to Würth Knowing is my experience coupled with, the real world in the trenches stuff that I've seen.